I am Torchwood. So Black Lightning last episode was up. It was strange. It got blocked. I disputed it, and now I found that disputing them doesn't release the blocks. But then last night I disputed my Legends reaction because that got blocked, and it got released straight away. And then I checked this morning, and my Black Lightning and Legends of Tomorrow reactions from last week that were blocked, it was still blocked, but you could dispute them. You could publish them, and they would still appear on YouTube. Fucking mind blowing. I don't have a fucking clue what's going on. Just keep swimming, kids. Just keep swimming. This is Black Lightning. There's no Flash today. Boo. But yes, Arrow and Supernatural, by the way, guys, will be back on Friday because there's no Arrow and Supernatural this Friday. So. Okay, let's go. I think there's no Arrow and Supernatural this Friday. I think. Okay. He's gonna go. He's gonna let you. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah. Bit my teeth. No. You can also watch the extended reaction of this episode on Patreon. Yay!
Yeah.
Go do it now.
No, I thought you and I were supposed to shoot straight with each other.
No, it's not. You're not going crazy. You do need to stop that. Okay?
Yeah, you do need to stop that, yeah.
Look, I knew you weren't going crazy when you first told me about the phone, and I should have said something.
Yes, you should.
I didn't, and I'm saying it now. What are you saying? The reason I know you're not crazy is because...
This should be interesting. Come on, Anissa.
I mean, I have superpowers.
Yeah, girl! Jenny, not looking very happy about this.
Look, I'm Thunder.
Thunder!
Alright.
Which makes you lightning.
Okay, look. Jennifer,
oh, in the first episode you said with thunder and lightning as witness. Oh, okay. I wonder what that meant.
Jennifer, I'm not messing with you.
Oh.
Stop. You stop. Okay. Fine. I'll show you. I'm Thunder.
Wow, she's freaking the fuck out.
See, you're not crazy. Listen, we're just like Dad.
Oh shit.
Yes, he has powers too. He's Black Lightning.
This is a lot of information for her to deal with in 30 seconds. You need to just calm.
Get away from me. Listen to me. Stay away from me. Listen to me.
Shit. Holy shit.
Oh my God.
Look, honey, let me explain.
Explain how you've been lying to me my whole life.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, she's not taking this as well.
And you can.
Is that supposed to be a joke? Why should I believe anything you say?
Jen, come here.
Really?
Well, there's not really much she can do. She thought she'd be excited about it.
What were you thinking?
What was I supposed to do? Is that a promise you can really make?
Damn.
You know I will lay down my life for them. For all three of you.
Do you really think the thought of you having to lay your life down makes me feel any better?
Exactly. Aw, there's so much love there, and I love it so much. They are a couple who broke up over circumstance rather than their relationship deteriorating or anything.
Maybe right.
They are still so very in love, and I love that about that.
Maybe we could have done things differently.
I do really love that. Yeah, probably.
Yeah. It could have been better at all of this.
But there's no guidebook. Holy shit, there's somebody in the back of your car. You've just been stabbed.
That mimics the powers of Black Lightning and could frame him.
Peter, what did you give me?
In Africa, they refer to the black mamba venom as the kiss of death.
Oh,
You just got
shit.
a neck full of it. Now, I happen to have some anti-venom right here. So it seems that I have something you want, you have something I want.
Fucking Gumby is off his fucking rocker.
Me too. Hey, it's a fast-acting poison, man. We ain't got all day.
I only have a name.
Write it down.
What do you mean it's nothing? You watch it's something.
But that Thunder, she is fine. Look, she could save me any day of the week, all right? I mean, that ass, though, right? Boy, look, you know what, though? That ass, though, right? That ass, though.
it's not funny. Even still, saving all these lives, all guys want to do is talk about my ass. Like, really?
I just searched Black Lightning and Thunder to see what came up.
Oh shit.
Take up another hobby, like golf.
I always hated golf. Caleb, you're thinking of hanging up on me. But that wouldn't be smart since I know your full name. Caleb Scott. Also your current address, 1245 Gough Avenue. I also happen to know that there's a patrol car about a block away from you and that you have a stash of unregistered assault weapons that you're selling on the dark web.
Yeah.
What do you want?
I just need to know where someone got a particular weapon. Regardless of what you all may think of me, I will always care about you.
Aww.
And your family.
Gambi, you're just kind of fucking crazy there.
Protect you.
You got so many secrets, man. The secrets of secrets. Oh my god, you have a bomb.
This
Is it not a bomb? Oh no, okay. Oh, but it's your super suit! Careful though, it might have a tracker in it.
Be safe.
Oh shit!
I know she here to clear up division and put respect back into women. She did it for Kanika and Sandra and Erica Gardner and all the angels. It's girl power at its finest wherever thunder. There's
About time.
black girl magic, she do wonders. Wherever light.
Yes. But your father has always been there for us.
But if he didn't have powers, you two would still be together. So would Anissa and Shanoa. Mom, I'm not Anissa. I don't want to save the world. I want to go to prom in college.
You don't have to then. Don't save the
Get
fucking
married,
world. Fuck the
have
world.
babies. Can I even have kids? You don't know. You.
Baby, I'm so sorry.
Come on, we gotta go. Let's go follow him.
How the hell did you hear that?
I didn't. So a bunch of us, we took a lip reading class so we could know what the police were saying about us while we were protesting.
You know you're not bad at this.
Really?
Aww.
Don't get a big head. I said not bad.
Nah.
Not bad. Let's go.
Yep, got you now.
Girl's just about to.
Yeah, I'm on Cayman. He's got his bit boys with him, and they're with a bunch of guys, men in black type. My gut tells me they're up to something, because they got enough firepower to start a war.
Stop following me now.
Who was that? How the hell should I know?
Oh shit, the
Pay
day.
you to know. Go see what it is.
Damn! Speaking of headshots. Bye! Oh, this sucks to be you! Oh, fucking shit, yeah! Yeah! That was fucking badass as fuck! Oh, man.
I know. Sometimes I just forget to know. But Mom reminded me.
Aww.
You want to watch a movie?
Hey, when's the last time we did that?
I think when I had the flu.
Right. You got me sick.
Ah.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this dynamic.
Perfect. You want me to make some popcorn?
There's a very different dynamic with Jen than he does with Anissa. Because Jen's his little girl, whereas Anissa he speaks a bit more, you know. And this is more his friend than his daughter, in a way, if you get what I mean. Oh no, I don't want to watch next time. Fuck off. Well, that was a sweet ending, but I don't know where it's gonna go, especially with Jen being so against her own powers. That could present some problems in the future. But I'm excited to see what becomes of them and what becomes of Jen, really. Yeah, it should be interesting. So anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all. This has been Black Lightning. You've been awesome, and I've been Torchwood Boy. If you did like this video, please subscribe, and if you didn't, well, don't. I'm hoping this one gets straight up, guys. I'm hoping you get to watch it this morning. For me, it's morning. But I don't honestly know, so we will see what happens. Fingers crossed. I love you lots like jelly tarts. It's getting really depressing not being able to publish videos straight away. It's like, oh. So I hope when you watch this you enjoy it. But yeah, I love you all. Bye bye.